friends, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Jen and I do all sorts of clothing unboxing videos. So if watching somebody spend way too much money sounds good to you, then please subscribe below. For returning viewers, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate your support, your comments, your likes, all that jazz. So today I have a Trendsend. If you are not familiar with Trendsend, I will go over it very super quick. It is a styling service by the store called Eve. They send you 2 to 3 fully styled outfits. They are a brick and mortar store, so I actually have one near me that I have stopped in before. So you can shop there or you can shop online and look for sales. And you got 5 days to decide what you want to keep, and you send back what you don't want to keep. There is now a $20 styling fee that does get applied to anything you purchase. And that's all I can think of. So let's dive right in. Okay, paperwork, it's stylist note and price sheet. We'll look at that later. Let's just get to the outfits because that's the fun part, right? All right, numero uno. I see some denim. Ooh, okay. And I see, ooh, this is pretty. Okay, so we've got a cami here. Do you call it a cami? It's just a tank top, but it's blouse material. And it's striped. It's striped with very many colors, which is cool because I can wear very many cardigans with this. I like it. It's just a simple tank. So I have a feeling if the price is right, she shall be mine. We'll see. Okay, we have the Connie ankle skinny by Cut From The Cloth, and it is kind of a lighter wash, which I do like that, and it is got some light distressing on it up here, little hole in the knee, and then cut hem. There is, I don't think there is a hem on it, so that will continue to fray over time. I do like the lighter wash. I've actually got 2 pairs of lighter wash distressed jeans already, so these will probably not make the cut, but I really like the looks of them. How many pairs of these do I need? All right, so great for first outfit. Really happy with that. All right, next outfit maybe is a dress because I only see one piece in there, but I really like the color. Okay, we got Coral Color of the Season. This is by Madigan. Forgot to mention that this is by Allison Joy. Okay. All right, so again, this is by Madigan, and this is looks to be a 3/4 sleeve dress, and it's got a little tie here on the front and a cinched waist. Just a nice cotton, comfortable, very comfortable. I'm assuming. I don't have it on, but it looks like it's very comfortable. It does have some black and white striping in it, and looks to be kind of a boat neck. So I really like this. I like this quite a bit, and everything I'm getting is very springy, so I'm happy with that. All right, last bundle. We have a couple tops, maybe? No? All right, we have just a t-shirt, you know, it's a heather type t-shirt, and this by Z Supply, and again, kind of that coral color. That's the theme of this box, so I like it. It's a nice shirt. Oh, and rounded hem, which I do like. It actually looks kind of big. So we'll see how that looks with it on. And then we have a pair of camo joggers. So I did buy joggers in my last box. I really don't need any more joggers. This is by Z Supply. They're really cute though. I mean, these are very cute. But again, I just don't think I need any more. I'm good on joggers for this point. But super cute. So that's a great, great box. I mean, so I like everything they sent me, and my only, like the only downside of any of this is just that I've already got similar pieces to some of this. So, all right, great box, I think. Well, let's try it on and then we'll decide. Okay, let's get to it. All right, guys, first up we have this lovely outfit. All right, so the cami here I just think is super cute. I love all the colors. I can wear so many different cardigans and blazers with this. I think it is bright and springy, and it's actually probably more bright and colorful than I usually go for, but I really do like it. I still have my bra on, so I apologize for that. But here it is from the back, and it actually fits really well. It's not too big, and I'm very happy with it. So thumbs up there. Love the jeans. I'll say they are slightly too long and would require a roll. I am doing a roll here. You do lose a little of the effect with the raw hem when you have to roll it, but I really like it. I just don't need them, but they're great. They're cute. I'm really happy that they sent these to me because I'm happy to have tried them. I don't know. We'll see what the price is before I say no. We'll see what the price is. All right, let's go to the next outfit. It's kind of a raw cut at the end, though it does kind of have a hem that goes around the bottom. I think this is one that maybe I'd want to tie to give it a little bit of definition, which I should have read the stylist notes now, I see, but I didn't. So there it is. It was just a little bit of a tie. I like it. Again, it probably depends on the price. The joggers fit great. They're cute. Again, don't really need joggers, but I like it. So all three outfits, to me, success. Now let's go over the pricing. Okay, so the dress I have sort of some mixed feelings on. It's very cute. It's pretty. I love the color of it. I like the striping on it. I call it a 3/4, but it's like an almost full length sleeve. I think I gotta kind of pull it up a little bit here. I think the tie on it is cute. Things that it's kind of when it is a little bit snug down here, although I will say there is lining, so that's great. It's slightly snug, but not too bad. I've had much worse in some of my Navy West as far as snugness. There's a second lining layer, which is always appreciated. I like that. I think what I don't love is kind of up here, what's happening here. It's got kind of a drop sleeve and then a little bit of extra armpit fabric, and I know that's such a minor thing, and most of the time I keep my arms down anyway, so who's ever going to even notice, but it's just kind of an annoyance. So I think this one will just depend on price. Like, I don't want to pay $50 for it because I'm just kind of, I like it, but I'm not over the moon for it, but we shall see. All right, let's get to the last outfit. Okay, we have the last outfit, and the shirt is just kind of big. I think this is one. I do like the rounded hem. It does have... All right, guys, time to go over the prices and discuss what to keep. Always a tough decision. So, first of all, I do have 20% off thanks to one of you wonderful viewers for using my referral link. So, Maytel Shahaf, thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. Hope you enjoyed your Trendsend, and thanks. Okay. All right, so let's just start at the list of my pile here. So this was my fave because I love all the colors and the fit and feel. It's great. It is the Croy multi-stripe cami, and it is $46.40. I saw this when I did the try-on. I saw the tag, and the tag said $58. That's the regular price of it. And I was so sad. So I know I can stalk their website and see if it goes on sale, but I don't know if I want to wait. I mean, that'll probably be fall by then. I just am not sure, guys. So we'll come back to this. Then we have the Connie Ankle Skinny from the cloth, and these are $71.20. I really like these, really like these, but I would have to roll them, and I've got a couple of pairs of lighter wash distressed jeans already, so I really don't need a third pair of them. So, not keeping. And then we have the Arlie tie waist dress, and this is by Madigan, and this is actually $23.99. I think it's on sale. Let's pull up the price tag here. Yeah. So originally it was $78, and then it's been discounted down to $30, and then my discounted price is the $24.99. So I said if the price is right, I would probably keep it. I think the price is right. I'm not over the moon for the dress, but I do like it. So I think it might end up coming down to these two pieces, but again, we'll decide that here at the end. Then I am wearing the slub V-neck tee, and it is by Z Supply. It is $30.40. It is a cute tee, but I think I could probably get something similar cheaper elsewhere, and it's a little bit big that I would like to have, so I will just keep an eye out for a shirt this color elsewhere that maybe fits a little bit better. Then we have the camo pant, and it is by Z Supply, and it is $40. I like it. Probably would have gotten it if I hadn't just bought joggers in their last box, so not keeping. Okay, so that leaves me with just these two pieces. So we've got the dress, and we got this. We've got this, a great price, but just feel kind of about it. And then we have this, not great price, but I love it. So what does a girl do? What does a girl do? So the price difference is I'd be paying 20 some extra bucks for this than I would pay for this. But I'd be more excited to wear this. All right, so I'd love to hear your guys' opinion. I will put in the description when I make a decision which item I decided to keep. So, all right, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate your support. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, then please subscribe below. And hopefully I will see you guys in the next video. All right, thanks. Bye.